Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. As we begin our journey today back in time, I would like to share with you some information about the train that you are riding on. Believe it or not, you are riding aboard a living, breathing piece of history right here. Leading our train is an authentic coal-burning steam locomotive. Currently, the Valley Railroad has 3 coal-burning steam locomotives. Today, we are using locomotive number 3025. 3025 was built in 1989 by the Tangshan Locomotive Works in China and originally operated on the Knox and Kane Railroad in Pennsylvania before being acquired by the Valley Railroad in 2008. After a meticulous 3-year restoration and overhaul in our Valley shop, I'd like to share a little bit more history about our railroad. The original Connecticut Valley Railroad began operating on July 29, 1871, and ran north to Hartford, our state capital, and south to Frederick Point near the mouth of the Connecticut River in North Salem. There, the railroad built an extensive wharf, roundhouse, and turntable facility. Today, you can still see the remains of the roundhouse that is now part of our state park system. That park is known as the Connecticut Valley Railroad Roundhouse State Park. In 1882, the Valley Line was acquired by the New Haven and Hartford Railroad, which was under the control of Connecticut native Anthony C. J.P. Morgan as part of his transportation monopoly here in southern New England. In addition to the railroad, the New Haven also acquired an operating interest in the riverboat steamer service operating out of Hartford, Middletown, Deep River, and many tidal marshes on the lower Connecticut River. Because of its proximity to the waters of Long Island Sound, the water level in this estuary actually fluctuates with the main Connecticut River. Estuaries like this are also home to an abundance of wildlife, including ducks, geese, swans, white egrets, red-winged blackbirds, and sometimes osprey, fox, bald eagles, and deer can be seen in this area. The Connecticut River is New England's longest river, approximately 410 miles in length, and is longer than the Hudson River in New York State. The Connecticut River begins at its headwaters at the Connecticut Lakes region just below the Canadian border. From there, the river flows south, forming most of the border between the states of Vermont and New Hampshire. The river continues down through Massachusetts, and finally ends up in the waters of Long Island Sound, approximately 12 miles away from our current location.
We get a lot of eagles and stuff in here too. Sorry? 5 here. Alright, you're on your trip. Unfortunately, we're not supposed to.
At the 1 o'clock position. There you'll have your first good view of Gillette Castle. We are now passing through a spot here on the railroad we call Riverside. If you look up towards the right-hand side of the train in our direction of travel, at the 1 o'clock position you'll see Gillette Castle, and then just below that you'll notice a large white and blue vessel. That vessel is our riverboat for Becky Thatcher, and for those of you who booked the train and boat combination tickets, the Becky Thatcher is the one vessel you can take later on in your journey. We are now in the beautiful town of Chester. The small yellow structure on the left-hand side of the train in our direction of travel was once the Quinnipiac Station, which once stood at North Haven, Connecticut. Today, it is now known as Chester Station. The original Chester Station sits on the left, across the street, a large ranch-style building and a beautiful Ford stone chimney. If you did not have a chance to view the station for the first time, you'll have another opportunity to do so when we back down towards Deep River. Shortly, our train will be crossing over the Chester Creek marshaling area. This area is the habitat of the great blue heron and other species of wildlife, including red-winged blackbirds, osprey, and swans can sometimes be seen here. In just a few moments, coming up on the right-hand side of the train in our direction of travel, look out towards the far hillside at the 2 o'clock position. You will have another good view of Gillette Castle. Now, Gillette Castle has absolutely nothing to do with the shaving company or the stadium. Gillette Castle took its name from its owner, William Gillette, who was one of the country's leading stage writers during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. He is best known for helping to portray the original stage version of Sherlock Holmes.
Happy birthday.
Gillette Castle began in 1914 and it was completed in 1919. Today, Gillette Castle on the ground surround. Of course, but for your safety, please keep all body parts inside the train. Thank you.
Thank you.
Can't go past this, no? Can't go past that. That's telling people stay back. Here it goes. Here it comes. It's gonna hit us. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hold on. Hold on. And stop. Oh, that's cool. That's the steam.
That's just from, that's
That's the
from motor,
steam.
yeah.
Okay. Well, everybody's wait a minute. It looks like Tom.
Oh, he's gone.
Thomas is gone, right? Back to grandma. Come on.
Again, highly recommend doing not see it while on the way because the tickets do sell out very, very quickly. Flexible will be running like the one in case they will be Look forward to having you all with us today. We've had a wonderful time and safe travels to the next destination really good. Please remain in your seats. Please remain seated.
No, not yet. Yeah, because I'm filming this awesomeness. Yeah, that was very hard not to do.
The rear. Just like in
Yeah.
Jay, take a look on your left when we go. Yeah, when we go by and look
Do I
down
still?
the rail.
Why?
It just looks pretty. It's the railroad.
No tree.
Right. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Stop. Happy and happy.
Where's your location? Celebrate Hard Rock, E5, and Ohio, clear on the Northwest 35.
Got me in it.
Not yet. Actually.
Make sure to subscribe
It's that close up, so it's
to Prankster 1098 and Trains by Rail.
Oh, there's the kitchen. Imagine if we saw like a live
Oh,
goat.
there's a princess in there. She's here. She's gonna come out. There's the alcohol. True story. Right, Jay, we did it. We saw it all.
Oh.
Perfect timing. Couldn't have planned it out better.
Connecticut is the best place to take a picture.
Yeah.
Take it from there.
I wish I could live near this. Honestly.
We passed by a lot of people's houses. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, thumbs up.
My arms.
His arms.
Yeah, my arms are killing me. Thank you. I'm taking shit entrance card as well. Everything is
The one that's in New Brunswick, is that the path? That's the closest. Well, here we go. Bye, Choo Choo Choo.
When I hear all of them, I think like that's a signal for people to get lost. What they're really saying is to say we're done boarding.
Yeah, I know.
I've never put that together.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome aboard the Valley Railroad's Chester Express.
Bye.
Little do they know the train doesn't come down.
First, please keep all body
I did
parts
not
inside the
expect
train
that.
if there are close clearances outside along the line. Also, for your safety, you are not to adjust the wheels yourself. Should your wheel need an adjustment, please ask the train to do that for you. We also ask that you please do not stand and walk between the cars on center while our train is in motion. Also, please convert to
Well, there's another one.
Dinner one, I think. Alright, you wanna go to the car and we'll get I got my phone.
Sure, just give me a second.
Into the sunset.